What if you could start a real, functioning AI micro-business this weekend? Not a forgotten side hustle, but something that could actually generate income by Monday. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into real income. We'll show you exactly how to start an AI micro-business in just one weekend. That's right, no coding, no team, and no startup capital needed. We'll use simple, powerful tools that do most of the heavy lifting for you. An AI micro-business is a small, focused service or product powered by AI designed to solve one clear problem and get paid for it, fast. Phase 1 starts Friday night. The most critical step is picking a problem that I can actually solve and that people already pay for. The biggest mistake beginners make is starting with tools. Don't start with ChatGPT. Start with a problem someone is already willing to pay to fix. Think writing, short videos, or organization. For this weekend challenge, the rule is simple. One problem, one customer type, and one clear, deliverable outcome. Do not stack ideas or worry about branding yet. Use a simple ChatGPT prompt to validate high-value services. Ask it to list services businesses already pay $25 to $100 for that I can complete in under 30 minutes. Pick one and move on. Phase 2 is Saturday, building the repeatable AI workflow. Your goal is not perfection, it's consistency. A basic AI micro-business workflow looks like this: client input, AI output, light human polish, delivery, and finally, payment. This needs to be repeatable. Let's take AI product descriptions. Your tool stack could be ChatGPT for the writing, Canva for simple formatting, and Google Docs for delivery. Keep it lean. Start with a foundational prompt defining your role as a professional copywriter. Then, use ChatGPT to revise the tone and personalize it for the client. The entire process should take 10 to 20 minutes. If it takes longer, simplify the service. Phase 3 is Sunday, launching and getting your first client. Don't let fear freeze you here. This is often the easiest part. You don't need a website. You just need one place to offer the service. This can be Fiverr, Upwork, or direct outreach in focused Facebook groups or Reddit communities. Your offer must be crystal clear. I help this specific person get this specific result using fast, AI-powered delivery. For example, I write Etsy product descriptions that convert. Price it simply. Start at $25. Keep the scope tight and promise 24 to 48-hour delivery. Your first goal is not profit, it's proof. One paying client validates your business idea. Here's why this method works. Businesses care about tangible results. AI provides incredible speed and consistency, and small services are far easier to sell than grand, sweeping promises. Stay until the end for the one key mistake that kills most AI businesses before they even make a dollar. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces friction. By the end of one weekend, you can have a defined AI service, a repeatable workflow, a live offer, and potentially your first paying client. That's not hype, that's simply execution. If you want my exact prompts and workflows, download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below. Subscribe to Purposefully AI, where we break down simple systems that turn AI into real income.